Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. It's your girl Ali with the ILA here. And for this vlog is come with me as I go or as I do my weekly grocery. And at this time is nandito ako sa Poblacion Market near Bangko Sentral or Central Bank. And I was supposed to buy here the famous Kataifi wrap in marshmallow, like the chewy something, but unfortunately out of stock sila. And then I forgot here na wala pala naka-on yung mic. And since dito ako sa area, vinesit ko na lang yung ano nila, parang mini exhibition. Napawaw pa yan siya. So guys, if you have free time, try to visit this area. Very nice. Oh my gosh, good thing nag-review na ako first before ko nilakaw. So, I've been talking earlier and wala pala siya na-record. I mean, na-record siya but walang voice. So, yun. Going back, so the reason why I went here sa Poblacion Market is because of the chewy, yung trendy nga like tong stretch nga. Basta tong marshmallow tapos may kataifi. Kataifi ba? Kataifi sa sulod. So, since wala siya, so I need to pre-order pala if may available data stock so that I can have it tomorrow or like have it delivered sa location ko. But since nandito na ako and then I think I deserve to pamper myself today kasi, wait. Kasi wala po kayo tulog guys. And then, iyan pong school, tapos wala na po ko yung naganap sa school, so ulit na po ko, tapos tariksik po dyan, tapos wala pa ka pamahaw, wala pa ko tulog, wala pa ko to, wala ako tanan guys. So kapoy kayo, so giligo na lang ako siya, palakasan na lang nag-dyan in So, going back, since nandito naman ako sa Poblacion Market, did you know that there's a museum or art gallery sa taas? So, which is, nandito tayo ngayon. So, let me roam you around. And of course, before anything else, before Tabalakaw, let me show you my outfit. Very dreamy. Exactly what I want by my soul. I can love you forever. Would you stay with me tonight? Will you love me forever? Cause this just feels so right. Deep down into the depths. Mag-lunch unta ako guys. Na-realize ako nga, ay nagtipid naman like I'm trying to become a financial responsible this year. So mag-ato na lang ko sa Gmall to grocery and then since yung grocery ko is kind of mag 1K challenge pa tayo ko karon. But I doubt 1K challenge for the grocery for 2 weeks na siya. Let's go. Come with me. Let's go. I'm not sure if this is sturdy, but I hope. Let's go. I don't know what to buy. What should I buy? I look like that so far. Oh, but not bad. What should I do? This or this? Okay. Ooh. Korean. Guys, mahal kayong avocado. 1 pieces, 43. Kuyapi. Kamukuyapan sa avocado. So, sa first section na po ito. I think I wanna eat fruits, no? There's one thing that I realized. Pero lang. much better mag-buy sa Gmail. Much better mag-buy sa Gmail kaya mas cheaper siya compare dire sa Gmail. Oo, pila kayang buong. Kaya pan lang buongon kaya nakabrato ka 60. Okay. Tapos kung kaon ka baka baho pa yung fart. So, di na lang tanong. Tapos pag ano, yes! Found it. Finally. So, pila naman ni, marami tapos na nag 1K bagi atay. I already have hot dog, so I think ang kailangan to is mozzarella. Let's go with cheese and kailangan para ko mapalit o karon shawarma. Yeah, shawarma wrap. I need to buy shawarma wrap, so let's find that shawarma wrap. I wanna buy, ooh, tag 45 ang ilahang lettuce per cup. So this is like, I don't know how to cut this. 55. Wait, I'm just not sure. Should I? I mean, wait. Oh, I should. Wait. Para to siya. I'm not sure. Like, maybe this one? I don't know. Please lang. Ayoko nyo i-judge. First time na po magpalit ha. Okay, so let's look for a fresh. Like, yung pinaka-fresh. 45 per cup. So, like, ay, ito 45. Ay. Okay. Now, what are we looking for? Yeah. Bakit na small? Pero fine. Woo! Pila na ni. Nilagay na siya 1K ba? Sabot okay na ni. Di atay ba ko? Uy, tagay kong chance. Wait. Is... Ay, ayun. Ay, tao. Yogurt. I think this is much better. Keep frozen. Ulap yung ko ano dito ba? Ano? 1K pa ba yan? Parang pa 3K na to, ti? So I think it's time to ano na, timbang. Oo, di ba? Yun, oh. Ay, fillers ba niya? Hindi. I think for ano to siya. Ay, fillers na. Yung pang microwave, yung pang air fryer. Monster siya. Ano ba niya? Marag, mas nagal, managsisuning ako. Palit sa yung kauro na ko, ani, or shit. Ako balik doon, never again. Big hearts. Bakit big hearts? Basket lang, di ba? Look ay basket. So, I think that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Kung 1K challenge guys sa grocery ka 1.5 ka pinakadagasod pero at least I think that's better kaysa sa akong expectation nga 2K no tapos daw rin yung nakalit guys so karon kay nakagpalit ako ko sa sa mga inasal kay Murag pila na ko ka months bitong ko mga inasal grade ko tapos ako din ako deserve ako deserve din ako okay ano na po the next month kay magpuasa na po but let me see bread alam mo yung taka-bread. Ito siya ka-bread chocolate. This chocolate. Alam mo ba yung celebratory? What is this? Ay, nalang. Ano siya ba? Today. Mga inasal. Mas nahaba na ko. Okay na ni siya. So, yun lang. Bye!